Magandang screen ni EJ5.
Johnny Abari!
Depensa ni Bong. Okay.
Yun, lubusot oh. Speaking about kinakain ng depensa, yun, dinamon ni Johnny Abarrietos, mga kaibigan ng depensa ng Fort Villarreal.
Siya nakaka-complete ng transition 2 points.
Woohoo! What a move! Mula kay Johnny Abarrietos, suspending himself in midair. The smallest man, he can do it all. Laban sa pinakamalaking man.
Johnny on the fast flip, decides to slow down, wants to go all the way.
What a shot! What a shot by Johnny Abarrietos. Did you see the way he moved that ball from left to right? A shake and bake move in midair. What a move over the big man of Japan.
At ni Abarrietos, oh yes sir!
Ang bilis ng galaw.
The Alaska connection of Guiño and Abarrietos. Play. The pass by Abarrietos, the Alaska. He fires. Oh!
Depensa.
Johnny Abarrietos continues to fly. The flying A.
Johnny Abarrietos. Big basket for Johnny Abarrietos. This is a big boost by Johnny.
Oh, gets away. Beautiful move. Yes. This boy is, so every time he touches the ball, something's gonna happen.
Pasa ni Abarrietos na antala, napulot pa rin ng pinakamaliit na mama. Si Abarrietos nakalusot. Abarrietos, kita mo yung crossover na yun. Ginito, kinaliwa pa. And Johnny Abarrietos obviously will be... Yes. One of the few players who came straight out of high school. Samantala si Abarrietos, walang kalaban-laban ang depensa ni Valdemir Ginito.
Yun, ang pasok to Johnny Abarrietos move.
Crossover dribble and then shift to the other side very quickly. Kita mo yun like an Allen Iverson move. Oo, biglang wala. The point guard, the Sakla. Good screen by EJ5. Johnny Abarrietos goes up with a layup. Ayun, meron na help defense doon pero marunong gumawa ng shots.
Johnny Abarrietos at the corner there, evading Felix Delano. Nice move by Abarrietos just to get through.
Johnny A, the flying A.
Johnny Abarrietos, my God, are you a rookie?
Johnny Abarrietos driving the baseline in the reverse. Just a great move. Great finish.
Free to shoot. Abarrietos! Oh, yeah! What a move! Johnny Abarrietos.
11 win.
What a block by Abarrietos! Wala sa ito lubog! Ibang klase yung palpal niya! That big block by Abarrietos.
Another magic.
You really have to think twice.
Abarrietos gets away from his man. And the Philippines is on the board.
Johnny Abarrietos, he knew where the Japanese were going. He goes for it and knocks it in. And you're right, he's looking to the...
Klako to, so hindi ka na magapura. Johnny Abarrietos, however, sees a small opening even though he doesn't like it.
I like to call him the Flash. Abarrietos with a jumper.
Yes. He got bumped, but he still took the shot and made it.
Johnny Abarrietos gets away. Dan Wise was there. Uy, pumasok pa yung tira ni Johnny. And the Philippines.
Oh, what a shot! Johnny boy, what a shot!
Pa-like at follow. Paki-share na rin ng video. Maraming salamat mga boss.